Yeah, you can tell it's nose up a little bit, but it's not too bad. For now, this is gonna roll because we're gonna put them 37s on. We have lifted the GMC Denali HD, and we finally lifted the 21 Denali HD Duramax, and now what is left to do? Slap some tires on it, baby. So as you know, everything I do on my Fords and on all my Duramaxes is throw Nitto mud grapplers, of course. I'm on the on the Nitto pit crew on Instagram, and so it's just a little group of guys and girls that put Nittos on their trucks and cars and Jeeps and SUVs and all that stuff. But anyways, it's Saturday morning, early in the morning. I really wanted to sleep in, but felt like the Lord kind of woke me up, and I was like, all right, get going with your day. So I'm heading to the tire shop, gonna get these mounted and balanced, and while I'm waiting, my wife's still asleep because she's pregnant. So I'm gonna take some time and get in the Word and get some ready for our kids' youth retreat coming up in about a week. Super excited for the kids for that. But I mean, as much as I'm excited for the kids, I'm excited for myself and all the leaders, because these kids are just awesome, and just awesome to watch the kids and just their purity of their hearts, watching them worship in such a pure way is really awesome. And so they encourage me, because the older we get, I feel like the more tainted we become to being more aware of things in the world and exposure to so much stuff going on with the news and just around the world and stuff like that. But anyways, yeah guys, I'm on the way right now. If I get to a place to be able to do a quick walk around, I will. If not, I'll just put a video of how it's set up right now from the video from yesterday. I guess I'll also explain the reason why I'm taking to the other tire shop is because our balancing machine is in, but our tire changing machine is not, and it's still back ordered for another month or so. So anyways, all right, here we go. We're pulling up. Well, just my luck. I think they're closed. So I guess, I don't know. Usually they're open at 7, but I guess maybe they're open at 8, hopefully. We'll see. I'll come back at 8. All right, so here's a quick little walk around since they're closed. All right, so looks like everywhere is pretty backed up this morning, but there's that one shop actually that I put the other tires on for the 2020 metallic gray Denali HD Duramax that we did up in Monroe. So I give them a call before they opened up, and the guy was there and was like, come on with it. So heading up there real quick. It ends up working out because I was gonna have to go up to Monroe because there's a part for a 4-wheeler that I gotta go pick up. It's not something that very exciting, but it's just a part that I need replaced on one of the 4-wheelers, because I'm about to put up for sale, and before I put up for sale, I just want to make sure everything's top notch on it. But anyways, gonna head up to Monroe and get stuff done there. So with them, they're cool with me, video like I did last time. So we'll see how all that goes. All right, so follow along with me as I go up to Monroe. All right, got the front side down on this side. Oh yeah, that's plenty of space. All right guys, so just got done getting the tires put on the truck, and they look awesome. Now that the tires are on, you can definitely tell it's squat. So I'm gonna put the back end of the lift on a lot sooner than I thought, because it's squatting a good bit. It's squatting, I think now that it's kind of settling out, it's about 2 inches difference. So with that being said, I'm gonna head back. Actually, I gotta go pick up that four-wheeler part. So as I'm recording this video, it reminded me. So thank y'all so much for watching. Otherwise, I would have made a stupid trip back up here this afternoon for no good reason, just because I forgot. So gonna go pick out that part, and we'll get going on with our day. And then when we get back to the house, I'll do a walk around. All right, here we go. Pulling up to pick up the parts for the Honda. Bayou Motorsports up here in Monroe. Let's see what else they got up here. Alrighty, so I was in there a lot longer than I expected, but I was talking to them about a side-by-side, because right now I sold all the side-by-sides that I have, and so just checking out some of the options for the Polaris Crew on the new ones. Been looking at a North Star one, the camo one with all of the accessories on it. Thinking to the future with the baby on the way, coming right in deer season, and just a comfortable ride. I don't know, it's a lot of money. It's like 30 grand, I think, but I don't know. We'll see. They did say they want to buy one of my four-wheelers, and so, you know, depending on what they come back to me with, I mean, it may work out to be a pretty good deal, because I know right now as you saw, their showroom is completely wiped out. So if they want my four-wheel enough and they make me a good enough deal on the side-by-side, I may just go ahead and get it. And yeah, let me know down in the comments below. If y'all have ordered a new side-by-side here in this past year, and what y'all's thoughts are on the new ones. I think they've changed up some stuff on the interior and the exterior, and I feel like it looks pretty good. But you know, I've never really actually driven one, so you know, it'd be nice to know kind of what y'all's reviews are on it. So to confirm, 37 1350 by 20 Nitto mud grapplers on a 21 GMC Denali HD Duramax with a 3-inch ready lift, and the back half of the lift, which is a 2-inch lift in the rear, will run 37s. I will probably have to do a little bit trimming on the inner fender liner, because I just noticed at full lock, I grabbed it and it kind of pulled it in. It was kind of rubbing while I was backing up, so probably have to trim a little bit, and I haven't had to do that on the other ones, but on this one, for whatever reason, every single truck is different. I don't know why, but even on the 250s, you could have the same exact 250 sitting right next to each other, and one will work with one lift and, you know, no rubbing and stuff like that with the same tires, and some will. It just nature of the beast, I guess. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Please make sure to hit that like, subscribe, comment down below what y'all thought of the video and how you think the truck looks. And we'll be doing an update video with the back half of the lift soon. All right, take care, guys. Bye.